What's up everybody, and let's be real for a second, who couldn't use a little extra cash these days? I mean, between the crazy cost of living and trying to actually enjoy life, having some extra money coming in is more than just nice, it's practically essential. That's why, in this video, we're diving headfirst into the hottest side hustles of 2024. We're not just talking about these side gigs, I'm actually going to be trying them out myself to see if they're actually legit ways to make money. We're talking about putting in the work, seeing what sticks, and figuring out if these hyped-up money-making methods live up to all the hype. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the journey, and let's get ready to explore the world of side hustles together. Because who knows, maybe we'll both end up with some extra cash in our pockets by the end of this. Alright, so first up we've got online tutoring. I've seen so many people talking about this one, claiming they're making thousands of dollars a month just by teaching people stuff online. Honestly, part of me is like, yeah, right, but then again, everyone's learning online these days, right? Think about it. Math, science, English, even things like music or coding. There are people out there looking for help in every subject imaginable. And with so many people working remotely or taking online classes, it just makes sense that online tutoring would be blowing up. So, for this one, I actually signed up on a couple of popular tutoring platforms. I figured I could try my hand at teaching some basic math and maybe even some English as a second language stuff, since that used to be my jam back in college. The sign-up process was surprisingly easy, and I was actually impressed with the platforms. They had tools for scheduling sessions, video chat, even virtual whiteboards. It was actually kind of cool. I set my rates, made a little profile highlighting my experience, and even filmed a quick intro video to make myself seem more, approachable. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous for my first few sessions. It's been a while since I've actually taught anything, and I didn't want to totally bomb it. But you know what? It actually went way better than I expected. The students were really engaged, and I actually kind of enjoyed breaking down the concepts and helping them understand things better. Plus, it was super flexible. I could schedule sessions around my other commitments, which is a huge plus. After a couple of weeks of doing this, I can definitely see the potential. I wasn't exactly making bank just yet, but I was earning some decent side cash, and I could definitely see how scaling this up could lead to some serious income. Next up, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Now, I've heard a lot of mixed things about this one. Some people swear by it, saying it's the easiest way to make passive income online, while others make it sound like some kind of pyramid scheme or something, so naturally I had to see for myself what all the fuss was about. The basic idea is pretty simple. You promote other people's products or services on your website, social media, or whatever platform you use, and you earn a commission for every sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Well, the real challenge, I quickly learned, is finding the right products to promote, and then figuring out how to actually get people to click on your links and buy something. I started by joining a few affiliate networks and browsing through their marketplace of products. There was literally everything under the sun, from software and online courses to physical products and even travel deals. It was kind of overwhelming, to be honest. I decided to focus on promoting products that I actually use and believe in, figuring that would make it easier to create genuine content around them. I started incorporating affiliate links into my blog posts and social media updates, making sure to be transparent with my audience that these were affiliate links. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit of a slow start. I wasn't exactly seeing a flood of commissions rolling in right away. But then, I had a bit of a breakthrough. I realized that I needed to be more strategic about the products I was promoting and the way I was promoting them. Instead of just dropping links here and there, I started creating more in-depth content like product reviews and tutorials that provided real value to my audience. And guess what? It actually started working. I started seeing a steady increase in clicks and, more importantly, conversions. I wasn't getting rich off of it or anything, but it was definitely a nice little side hustle, and I could see how, with the right strategy and a bit of effort, it could become a significant source of income. Chapter 3. Social media management, can you handle the chaos? Okay, so, social media management. This one seemed like a no-brainer in today's world. Every business and their grandma needs help with social media, right? I mean, who has time to be crafting the perfect Instagram caption or coming up with witty tweets when you're trying to run a business? That's where I come in, or at least that was the plan. I figured I could leverage my own social media savvy, which, let's be real, I'm pretty good at, To help businesses grow their online presence and rake in those sweet, sweet followers, the first thing I did was reach out to some local businesses in my area. I figured they'd be more likely to take a chance on a smaller, independent social media manager like myself. And you know what? I was right. I landed a couple of clients pretty quickly, a local bakery and a small clothing boutique. They were both super excited to have someone take over their social media, and I was pumped to get started. I created content calendars, drafted posts, scheduled everything out, and even responded to comments and messages. It was definitely a lot of work, especially at first, but I was learning a ton, and I was actually having fun with it. Plus, it was super rewarding to see my clients' social media accounts start to grow and engage more with my help. I even helped the bakery run a successful online promotion that led to a spike in sales. Talk about a win-win. Chapter 4. Dropshipping, low risk, high reward, or total scam. Last but not least, we've got dropshipping. Now this one has been super hyped up lately. I mean, who wouldn't want to run an online store without having to deal with the hassle of inventory, shipping, or any of that other stuff? It almost sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what I wanted to find out. So I did my research, watched a bunch of YouTube tutorials, probably too many actually, and decided to give it a shot. The first step was finding a niche. I knew I didn't want to sell just anything. I wanted to focus on something I was at least somewhat passionate about. After some brainstorming, I landed on eco-friendly home goods. I figured there was a growing market for sustainable and ethically sourced products. And I personally liked the idea of promoting businesses that aligned with my values. With my niche selected, it was time to find a supplier. I ended up going with a platform that specialized in dropshipping, which made the process super easy. They had a huge selection of products, and I was able to connect my online store directly to their inventory. Setting up my online store was surprisingly straightforward as well. I used a popular e-commerce platform that had tons of templates and integrations, so I didn't need any coding experience. With my store up and running, it was time to start marketing. I focused on social media marketing, paid advertising, and even reached out to influencers in the eco-conscious space. Now I'm not gonna lie, dropshipping was definitely the most challenging side hustle I tried. It took a lot of upfront work to get everything set up, and I had to learn a lot about marketing and advertising. But I also saw the most potential with this one. Once I got the hang of it, I could see how dropshipping could become a serious business with the right products and marketing strategies. So there you have it, guys. My experience diving headfirst into the world of side hustles. We covered online tutoring, affiliate marketing, social media management, and even the wild world of dropshipping. Each one had its own unique challenges and rewards, and I honestly learned a ton from each experience. The biggest takeaway? There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to side hustles. The best side hustle for you is going to depend on your skills, interests, and how much time and effort you're willing to put in. But the good news is, there are more opportunities than ever to make extra money on the side, and you don't need to be an expert to get started. If you're looking for a way to boost your income, pay off some debt, or just have a little extra cash to play with, I highly recommend checking out some of these side hustles. You never know, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe for more videos on side hustles, entrepreneurship, and making money online. I'll catch you in the next one.